I have written observation after arranging them in increasing order in this column and their corresponding frequency in this column. Now we write cumulative frequency in this column. Here will be 5. 5 plus F1. 5 plus F1. 5 plus F1 plus 1. 6 plus F1. 6 plus F1 plus F2. 6 plus F1 plus F2. 6 plus F1 plus F2 plus 2. 8 plus F1 plus F2. This plus 3. 11 plus F1 plus F2. This 11 plus F1 plus F2 plus 1. 12 plus F1 plus F2. That means sum of all the frequencies sigma Fi is equal to 12 plus F1 plus F2. 12 plus F1 plus F2. But in this question it is given that sum of all the frequency, that means sigma Fi is equal to 19. That means 12 plus F1 plus F2 will be equal to 19. This implies F1 plus F2 will be equal to 7. We suppose this is one number. Now it is also given that median is 6. Median is 6. But median will be equal to 19 plus 1 by 2. 19 plus 1 by 2th observation. That means 10th observation. 10th observation. If 6 is median, that means 5 plus F1 is not equal to 10, but less than 10. 5 plus F1 is less than 10. But 6 plus F1 is either greater than or equal to 10. Adding both sides, we get 6 plus F1 less than 11. From this and this, it follows that 6 plus F1 this implies 6 plus F1 is equal to 10. This implies F1 is equal to 4. F1 is equal to 4. Therefore, from 1, F2 will be equal to 3. Therefore 7f1 plus 9f2, 7f1 plus 9f2 will be equal to 7 times f1 4 plus 9 times f2 3, that is equal to 28 plus 27, that is equal to 55. Therefore entry P of list 1 will be matched with entry 5 of list 2. In this column we write xi times fi, means 4 times 5 is equal to 20, 5 times 4 is equal to 20, 6 times 1 is equal to 6. In this way up to here. Then we add all of these and find sigma xi fi is equal to 133. Now this is formula. Mean denoted by x bar is equal to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. That means 133 by 19. This is equal to 7. That means mean is equal to 7. In this column we want to write value of mod of xi minus x bar, means mean, but mean is 7, that means xi minus 7. Xi minus 7, 4, xi 4 minus 7 will be minus 3 and mod of minus 3 will be 3. 5 minus 7 will be minus 2, mod of minus 2 will be 2. In this way we write numbers in this column. Now in this column we write number after multiplying number in this column and number in this column. 5 times 3 15, 4 times 2 8, 1 times 1 1, in this way. Now add all these numbers and get 48. Mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma fi mod of xi minus x bar by sigma fi. And in this question mean deviation about mean is denoted by alpha. Therefore alpha will be equal to this, that means 48 by 19. Therefore 19 alpha will be equal to 48. In this column we write xi minus x bar, means xi minus 7, 4 minus 7 minus 3, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 6 minus 7 minus 1. In this way, in this column we write number after squaring number in this column. Minus 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1. In this column we write number after multiplying number in this column and in this column. 5 times 9 45, 4 times 4 16, in this way. Now we add all these number and get 146. Now this is formula. Variance is equal to sigma fi xi minus x bar square by sigma fi. Therefore sigma square will be equal to 146 by 19. Therefore 19 sigma square will be equal to 146. 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. Mod of minus 2 will be 2. 5 minus 6 will be minus 1. Mod of minus 1 will be 1. 6 minus 6 will be 0. Mod of 0 will be 0. In this way we write number in this column. Now we multiply 5 times 2, 10, 4 times 1, 4, and write numbers in this column. Add all these numbers to get 47. By using this formula for mean deviation about median, we find value of beta is equal to 47 by 19. This implies 19 beta is equal to 47. Now solution is over. Therefore, read this question.